My name is Deanna Cannon. I did non-destructive testing here at Spartan. I'm going to work for Sabre Industries in Sioux City, Iowa. How I learned about Spartan was my dad came to Spartan in the 1980s, and he did the AMT program and the non-destructive testing program. He worked for American Airlines for 25 years, and that just really got me started and being interested with it. I will be doing ultrasonic testing on wireless towers and utility poles. My experience at Spartan, it has been great ever since day one. The day before I started school, I found I was pregnant, and they just were very helpful, letting me know what I could and couldn't do, and I just stayed in contact with them and they worked with me. I would definitely recommend Spartan's NDT program because it only takes 11 months to get through the program. So after the 11 months, you can go ahead and get started in the industry. The advice that I would give to future Spartan students is definitely get motivated to come to school. This is where it starts, where it shapes your career out in the industry.